pulled. Another boundary. They're just a shot away now, the Zalmi. Samad moves on to 48.
What an innings. What a performance by Babar Zalmi. They were under pressure early on in first 4 overs, but this partnership have break the trick. 85 of 59 between these two. The maximum. That was his 7th boundary. 3 4s and 4 6s. Strike rate of 150. Under pressure, played beautifully, Samad.
On the brink.
This has been a magnificent tournament for Babar Zalmi. They haven't given up, the Kingsmen, and you have to credit them with their attitude, their never say die. Captain and coach. How they've managed to get themselves to the final is the stuff of great stories. But in the end, they run into a team who have simply been too good in all departments. Best 2 batters in the tournament. Number 1.
That one, and he has smashed that straight to the fielder.
Oh, yeah.
Maxwell has taken the catch. They were looking to finish that in style, so was he, looking to get us missed. Inches away from victory.
He's done his job. He was disappointed he didn't get to his 50 or the winning runs. But, yeah, it was right in his area. He placed that shot beautifully. Didn't middle it. Good catch in the end by Maxwell at mid-wicket. But a very important innings from Samad. Came out to bat with the
more left in the 15th over. Muhammad Ali's got 3 wickets. Can he get a 4th with his last August spell? Lars had to go harmlessly through to the... They look primed.
With Akram, Azam a move. This Burrell Hack, Otis Gibson. Azhar Ali, yeah, got all the bases covered in there.
Yep, they sure have. They've had the fielding bases covered as well. The cricket bases covered tonight. Heidi on 55. Down the ground. It's just going to be the single. What are your thoughts, Wazim, looking back on this season?
in control, but eventually crowd came in. Cricket-wise, I think what I loved in this PSL is you've seen some young batters came into the fore. Usually we used to see bowlers, talented spinners, but this year 2-3 batters came up. Min Samir Manhas is one of them. Mas Sadakat is another one. Samad we've seen today. That's a good sign future of Pakistan cricket.
Otis Gibson, the coach of Babar Zalmi. Outstanding coach, Otis Gibson. 4 runs required, and that's away on the leg side, and 4 runs it is. There they go. Congratulations, Babar Zalmi, you have done this. Magnificent performance. It is their second title, their first since 2017, and Babar Azam's first as the XPL PSL as captain. Outstanding stuff for him, but congratulations, Zach. I've been seriously pleased with this performance.
Lights have gone out here, but my guess is that the party will rage on long for Babar Zalmi. Wonderful firework displays, amazing crowd here, record for HPL PSL in Lahore. Second title for Zalmi, and barring one loss against the Qalandars, they have been as as near to perfect as you can possibly be throughout a franchise tournament. It has been a sensational, dominant performance from the men in yellow.
From the day one, like you said, they only lost one game. Babar, the skipper, leading from the first highest one getter in this HPL PSL season 11. So they are the worthy champions, Peshawar Zalmi.
Yeah, they certainly are. It's been an outstanding performance. It really has. They've been superb, actually, throughout the entire tournament. Tonight, brilliant. Winning by 5 wickets. Superb work in making sure they get to the Hyderabad Kingsmen for 129. And it is starting to rain at the moment, so this is just in time.
The word on the Kingsmen, Hazy. Extraordinary tournament for them, losing your first 4, then winning 7 out of 8. And believe you me, Zalmi would not have been without nerves facing them today. A team that doesn't know when they're beaten is a very dangerous one indeed. But in the end, 129 in the opening innings of this game was never going to be enough against the side of the quality of Peshawar Zalmi. They'll look back on run-outs and poor shot selection, having been asked to bat first, and perhaps rue that they didn't give themselves a better chance of perhaps pulling off yet another miracle.
It was a very good wicket to bat on. Even bounce, good carry, no turn. And Hardy, who showed us how to bat under pressure, and of course the Mud got 48 as well. But over and all, very good team selection from Peshawar Zalmi in the auction, and their trading, and everything worked for them beautifully in the end. Champions 2026 HPL PSL season 11.
Aaron Hardy in the middle of the screen comes the first player to score 50 and also take 4 wickets in an HBL PSL final, so congratulations to him. Outstanding performance. Picked up that big wicket of Minus Labuschagne also when he first was introduced into the attack, which was a big wicket, an instrumental wicket, I think, and the downfall, because things went south after that for Hyderabad Kingsmen. But Zalmi, gee, they can be ecstatic with this performance. And they're going to remember this for a long, long time. It's a long season, HBL PSL. As we have another look. Wayward delivery down the leg side, just a bit of a helping hand. 2 players celebrate in the middle, and the dugout is emptied. Here they go. Wonderful stuff from Peshawar Zalmi. They really have been superb throughout the entire season, and they have thoroughly deserved this. Really has been remarkable. They've played with fire, they've played with confidence, and tonight they had to do it the hard way at times, but they got there in the end with plenty of balls to spare and wickets as well. Then Hardy was swamped by his teammates, and look at all those smiles. That's what it's all about. Smiles in the HBL PSL. See the excitement from all these players, young and old. It's wonderful to see this. Terrific stuff. Really has been a performance that they can be very proud of throughout this entire season. The way they picked up all those wickets. 4 wickets going with just 70 on the board made a big difference. Right, let's go downstairs to Arouge.
A smile's beaming down here, and I've got one of the shining stars of the Zalmi Abdul Samad. समद ये बताएं कि एक मुश्किल सिचुएशन में आए और टीम को फाइनल की ट्रॉफी जितवाई, कितना मजा आ रहा है?
बिल्कुल जी, बहुत एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि देखिए एज अ फिनिशर काम था, जो मेरी जॉब है एज अ टीम के अंदर, जो मैनेजमेंट ने मुझे रोल दिया हुआ था, तो आज मुझे मौका मिला काफ़ी देर के बाद, क्योंकि मेरी बैटिंग नहीं आ रही थी, तो कोशिश कर रहा था कि जब भी बैटिंग आए तो अपनी टीम के लिए विनिंग कर, लेकिन लास्ट टूर 48 पे आउट हो गया, लेकिन ये है कि बड़ी अच्छा रहा माशाल्लाह।
बड़ा अच्छा इसलिए भी रहा क्योंकि जैसे आपने कहा कि कुसाल, मेंडिस और बाबर ज्यादातर रन कर रहे थे, तो उसमें अपने आप को मेंटली रेडी रखना क्रंच मोमेंट पे, क्योंकि 4 आउट हो चुके थे जब आप आए।
बिल्कुल ऐसा ही है, मैं कॉन्फिडेंट था और मैंने खुद कहा कि मिसा भाई मैं खुद जाऊंगा, तो उन्होंने मुझे कहा कि देख लो, मैंने कहा मैं करके आऊंगा इंशाल्लाह।
और ज़ल्मी के साथ ओवरऑल सफर कैसा रहा?
बेहतरीन रहा, सेकंड ईयर था मेरा, और पहला भी बहुत अच्छा रहा था, और ये भी साल बहुत अच्छा रहा है, क्योंकि माशाल्लाह हम लोग जीते हैं, तो बड़ी खुशी हो रही है माशाल्लाह।
मैं आपको रोकूंगी नहीं, आप जाएं, एंजॉय करें। कोकी, इट्स ओवर टू यू।
I'm just the other side of you. Otis Gibson, Michael Bracewell. Wow, sum that up.
It's hard to put into words at the moment.
beautiful feeling. Obviously, the way Hardy batted out there was outstanding, but it's been an amazing comp the whole way through. Everyone stepped up at different times and feels like a real team won this one.
Someone's given you a busted lip as well.
I'll take that. It's part of the course. Yeah, don't even feel it, so beautiful.
Sum this up. You're an experienced coach. You've been through a lot. Sum this up.
Look, from the start, we sat down and we decided how we wanted to play, how we wanted to approach the tournament. I have to give a lot of credit to the players, the way that they've approached it. You know, we've only lost one game. We've been consistent the whole way through, and you know, tonight we put ourselves under some pressure in the power play, but we know that we've got enough batting depth that we can go and win like we've done tonight. You know, but it's been an outstanding team effort from everybody. I'm so pleased and so proud for everybody. The ownership of the franchise, you know, we haven't won it for a long time, so yeah, this is a big moment for us.
What's he like as a coach?
It's been brilliant. Yeah, the whole coaching staff have been complement each other really well, I think. They're different styles and it gelled really well, and I think showed in our performance. We were able to keep consistency through the team and consistency in our performance as well, which is outstanding. And I think we'd be remiss not to mention the crowd tonight. Obviously, a little bit unfortunate not having the crowds here throughout the tournament, but to have an amazing crowd like tonight and how loud it was, it certainly makes it very special.
Last question to you. Bowl them out for 129, 40 for 4. We cut to you. Were you worried?
No, not really. Maybe frustrated more than worried because I know how well we batted in the tournament. And that wasn't a typical sort of Zalmi batting performance, you know, that we've seen this tournament so far. But like I said, I knew that we had quality players in the heart that can do the job. We just made it harder for ourselves. But at the end, we got there in the end, and it's very pleasing.
I'm going to ask you one more. I'm sorry. We are going to Arouge in 1 minute. Sum up Babar Azam and sum up what Babar Azam means to this crowd.
Look, he's amazing. He's bought into everything that we've been talking about. The way he's been playing, the way he's took responsibility for the team. He's got 200s in the tournament. He's got over 500 runs. Fantastic captain. He listens well. He understands how we're trying to approach the game. And he's obviously just box office, you know, for the crowd to come in and see him tonight. He's made hundreds when there was nobody in. So and it's a shame that he didn't get some runs tonight so that the crowd would go home happy. But I hope they'll still go home happy because obviously we've won the tournament and I think we fully deserve to win it, to be honest.
Appreciate it. Go and celebrate. Over to you, Arouge.
Well, it might be the story of the young